Hi guys, good morning. So myself Abhishek Bansal, I am from Bombay. I take law and audit for both inter and final. So all those people who have got results like 2 days back, congratulations, welcome to CA final, and you can subscribe to our channel for all the updates. All those people who could not make it, or all those people who will be appearing for the first time in May 23. So here I am with a strategy how to go about it. So right now your classes would be going on for May 23. People who could not make it, they need revision sessions. So do not worry, I'll be coming up with law and audit revision sessions on YouTube. It will be one video would be in Hindi, one video would be in 100% English. So because I have good crowd from South and love to Chennai people, Hyderabad people, so I'll be revising in English also. I will be revising in Hindi also. I'll be putting 2 series, one in Hindi and one is in English. One in Hindi and one in English, so that maximum people can get benefit. So do recommend your friends and all those people who are appearing for May 23. Now, how to go about for strategy for May 23? So when I'm recording this video, it's on 12th Jan. So we have January ka we have approximately 18 days, Feb 28, March 31, April 30. Okay? So close to 107 days. 107 days. So your deadline to finish off your course, guys, to finish off your course is close to 10th March. When you aim for 10th March, whatever you want to study, in case if you could not clear the previous attempt, the November 22 attempt, or you are appearing for the first time in May 23, 10th March, guys, 10th March is your D-Day. If you aim for 10th, by 15th of March, you will be able to finish off your course, right? Now, I'll tell you the importance of 15th March. What is happening is your classes are going on right now, correct? People who have not cleared, you need to do self-study. You need to start studying. You must have cried, you must have cribbed, you must have abused everyone, institute, teachers, friends, everything is gone now. You need to rise again, you need to stand up. Don't feel demotivated. You need to do it, and only you can do it. None of your friends, nor your parents, nor your family, neither the teacher can go and help you out, right? Only you can do it. So how do I do that? How do I do that? So if your classes are going on, like let us take example 8 to 6, like wherever I'm taking face-to-face batch, this is the ideal time, right? People from Ahmedabad, people from Chennai, people from Bombay, people from Hyderabad, 8 to 6 is your ideal time. I know it is difficult when you go back home. After 8 p.m. 6:37 you reach, you eat your little food. 8 to 10 p.m. It's very important, guys. It's very much. 2 hours, take out any subject of your choice. Maybe the subject what sir is teaching you in this hour, there could be 2 subjects or 3 subjects taught. You take only one. And finish off that in January itself. Or whatever subject your classes must have taught you, finish that subject in January 23 till January 23, like 31st Jan 20. Finish off that subject. Sir, why? See, what will happen is now after 15 months, if you think I will start studying, you have only 45 days left. Exams dates have announced, right? Only 45 days are there. How can you finish the course? So by January, in 12 days, in 18 days, whatever is left, you finish off the course what teacher has taught you already in October, November. Finish that. Okay. Then in the next 15 days, like 1 to 15th Feb, what do you do? In 1 to 15th, you take out another subject. You do the second subject here. Then 16 to 28th Feb, you do your third subject here. Here you keep, see, when you start like from 2 hours, gradually you will increase like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Okay, now when I say 3 subjects till 28th Feb, that means by 10th of March, your 3 subjects will get over. Now, your 3 are gone. Now by 10th March, ideally, you will be on exam leave, your classes will be over. Now you will have maximum time, Then what you do? From 15th March, you start studying your other subjects. So I am asking you to just finish big 3 subjects. It could be accounts, costing, FM. or tax. These are the 4 big subjects of CA Inter. 4 big subjects of CA Inter. So from 15th March, what do you do till 15th of April? You need to finish off your other subjects, like other 5 in a month. Here, because you will give maximum time. How to do that in that 30-day period? I'll be coming out with a separate video. What should be your ideal schedule? But right now, when your classes are going on, guys, please start studying 2 hours every day. It's very important. 2 hours every day. It is very, very, very important. 1 to 15 Feb, second subject, 16 to 20th third subject. Maybe in the next 10 days you can do one more subject, but at least have a target to finish this 3 subjects. Whatever tuitions have gone finished, you can complete that subject. Sir, how do I make it more stronger? How do I make it more stronger? You may be around 19-year-old, 18-year-old chap. Things would be little difficult for you. Sir, I have to work, I have to study, I have to make food, or I have to cook food, or I have to wash clothes, everything, right? After going back home, sir, I am totally exhausted, like 8 hours, 10 hours classes is there. But bro, sis, there is no other option. There is no other option. If you want to crack May 23, guys, if you want to crack May 23, time is very less. Only 100 days are left, you can see. Only 100 days, 107 days are left. You need to work it out. In case if you feel anything weak, like your tuitions have not been completed or you have not completed it. So I take basically law and I take audit. So law, only Hindi lectures are available. Only Hindi lectures. It's both Hindi English mix, that's basically. It's not 100% English. And for audit, it's both Hindi English is available and English, pure 100% English for South people. Or it is available. So you can call 844-844-8919 or you can visit www.letslearnindia.in. So here you will get all the details for the lecture. In case if you need any assistance, people who could not make it and you need some brushing up with revision, you can contact here and they can give you the lectures. This is my office number. Sorry. So this is your game plan. If May 23 is your attempt, at times you'll be feeling frustrated, negativity would be coming it out, sir, I can't do it. So this time we have got 4 rankers, 26, 28, 43, 42, 48, 5 rankers. Audit highest is 75 marks, law highest is I think 70. And people who know that if they get 70 plus they go to Taj. So I'll be taking them to Taj very soon. So guys, things are in your hand. You need to take control of it and work more faster. Okay. For any help if you need. So Bombay people, I'm coming with the fast track in case if you have any friend in final, and in case if you have any friend in inter, you can inform them. So Bombay final fast track is face to face 1st to 7th March. Inter fast track is 11 to 15th April, 8 to 4. Okay, and this is the someone got 87 marks in economic laws. It's in CA final economic laws. 87 marks, no more, 87 on 100. Amazing marks. This is the link for the, one second, I'll show you Inter. This is the link for the Inter Telegram channel. You can join this for all the updates, for your doubts. Every day we have one MCQ question of law, one MCQ of audit. We solve it in the Inter Telegram group only. You can join this and inform your friends also. So guys, this is the strategy. Your 10th March is your DE date, so that when you aim for 10th, by 15th you'll be able to finish on. From 15th March till 30th April, it's back to back you're studying. And how to go for revision, I'll be coming out with a separate video in the month of March. First you need to finish off your course. Please complete your tuitions and don't lose hope. You can do it May 23. You can get rank also. You can get 70 plus also. Okay. For any assistance if you need, you can contact www.letslearnindia.in or you can see the number which is displayed on the screen, 844-844-8919. Okay. Sure. Bye guys. Take care. Enjoy. I will be coming up with more revision videos for audit as promised to all my South people. I have started recording. I think more 15 days I'll take. I'll put the entire video of revision on YouTube for both law and audit. Okay, so this is the number if you see 844-844-8919. Bye guys, take care, enjoy and aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier.